So here I'm assembling the 150 scale or 28 millimeter scale Karl Gerat. So it took some time to print those parts, so the assembly is not yet complete, but we have the main part right here. So this is the main hull. So this is like 28 millimeter scale. The main hull that I assembled that still have a few plates missing that still need to be glued onto them. So this is the hull and the weapon carriage, which has been assembled. I was actually pretty proud of the railing, well, actually the contention bar here, which the carriage which go inside. The weapon assembly is pretty much assembled, but I still need to complete the hull to put everything together. The truck itself is actually pretty simple to assemble. There's like I don't know if you can see the line in the middle. There's like the top part, the bottom part, and on the other side you got the suspension that is printed separately, so that it's printed without support. So here I'm putting the stoop next to it to give you an idea of the size difference. As you can see, the Karl Gerat is pretty huge. Is pretty much the size, a comparable of a 40K super heavy. So this is what the current state of the Karl Gerat. I'll be taking time to assemble this in the next few days, and I'll be sharing another video once it's almost complete. Cheers.